Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about a little problem that one of our viewers encountered with their HomePod. So, our viewer was trying to attach the power cord to their new full-size HomePod and accidentally applied some pressure to the device, causing the mesh surface to squish slightly. They were concerned if there might be delicate components like a speaker right beneath the surface. Let's dive into the details and find out more about this interesting problem. In the solution provided, it turns out that the HomePod's mesh surface is indeed squishy due to the speakers located behind it. However, these speakers are positioned around half an inch or more behind the frame, making it unlikely for them to be damaged by light pressure. The solid plastic covering the tweeters also offers additional protection from deformations. You can actually see this setup in action in a teardown of the HomePod where the internal components are revealed. Solution time. Remember, it's best to avoid lifting or squishing your HomePod too much. The components, such as the tweeters, mid-range, and subwoofer, are safely positioned under the mesh, requiring a significant intrusion to cause any harm. So, next time you're setting up your HomePod, handle it gently to ensure everything stays in top shape. In summary, we've learned that the HomePod's squishy mesh surface hides speakers that are well protected behind the frame. So, don't worry too much about minor squishing incidents, as long as you're not using excessive force. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you found this information helpful, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any funny HomePod mishaps you've had. Thanks for watching, and until next time,